Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Astha Vadva back with another video. So this is a big day for me. I'm moving to Canada for my further studies and I'm just leaving my home, my hometown, everything behind. Actually we are leaving for Khanna today, not for Delhi airport. My flight is on second and now we are gonna meet all the neighbors and some relatives. गाइज अब मैं हूँ अपने बुआ के हाउस। ये है लवली भैया। तो आपको कैसी फीलिंग आ रही है? मैं जा रही हूँ।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हमने इतने ये दिन के लिए बहुत देर हो गई थी। हम चाह रहे थे कब ये जाए यहाँ से। अब ये जा रही है ना, तो हम देखो सारे कितने खुश हैं। हम इकट्ठे होके सभी हम खुशी मना रहे हैं कि ये जा रही है। बेटा जाओ, बहुत खुश।
Hi guys, all set to leave for Delhi airport. We are ready and just leaving now. Please, can we go now?
Yes, you have been so much late. Your bags are ready. Even I am ready.
इससे इन दोनों ने 2 घंटे लेट करवाया गाइस।
Vacation mode on. Yo.
Let's go.
हम जा रहे हैं।
Bye.
चलिए जी।
So guys, we have made our first stop at Jhilmil Tapa. Everyone is here. Let me show you. Airport, we have ample of time. We have arrived here early, but obviously arriving early is better than being late. board where all the details were mentioned, and it was mentioned that my flight was cancelled. I was so confused because all the flights were operating except mine. And then we got to know that there were 200 flights of Lufthansa that got cancelled at the same day because the pilots were on strike. We waited there for hours because some people said that they might arrange us a second flight or they might give us a refund at the same moment, but that was not the case. The issue got worse. People started shouting at the authorities, and they sat in front of the Terminal 3. They blocked the way of all other passengers, and then police came, they lathi charged. The issue got really worse. So as you have seen in the video, people were sitting in front of the gates. Police came and they lathi charged because they were not getting out of the way. Then we had no other option. Everyone came back. I rebooked my ticket for 4th of September because my classes were from 6th and I had no option for online classes. So I rebooked it. Then I went for Air France. The route was Delhi to Bangalore, Bangalore to Paris, then Paris to Toronto. It was a long route. Access to the premium lounge because of the business class ticket. I had some food here. Now my boarding starts in 1 hour, so I'll be waiting here. Then with all the formalities, security check-in, got my boarding pass, had some food.
Hey, all other passengers are kindly requested to remain seated for the moment.
Guys, I reached Bangalore at 7 o'clock and my flight was at 1 o'clock for Paris. But the flight got delayed and the departure then was at 7 o'clock in the morning, directly 1 to 7. In between I had to stay at the airport, and now we have almost reached Paris. Guys, we are in Paris. Let me show you. This airport is so beautiful. Guys, this place is so beautiful, but I didn't have enough time to walk around because the earlier flight got delayed, so I had to run and rush for the flight. So yeah.